Hi friends, this is Mahendra Kapadia, professional keynote speaker and intellect and happiness coach. I had my morning class at Brahma Kumaris and I thought let me share some of the positive thoughts that I got from there. The important two words that I got today is clean intellect and being truthful. India has superb history where India showed its clean intellect in all its conduct and welcome various religions, welcome various communities to India and lived with them with a brotherly attitude. I mean, this record you would not possibly, no other country would be able to show. India has been an ancient culture. So if you really look at it in perspective, India had a great existence because India had a great conduct. That means Indian people, Indian kings, everybody had a great conduct. And with the great conduct came the respect for the country, and obviously in, you became rich, right? And thereafter, obviously, when all other realized and they were attracted to India, and we know the rest of the history, what happened since the Mughal days. But I don't want to go into the history of India. We want to say that the clean intellect and the interest and the truthfulness are such powerful foundations for the country, for the organizations, for the people. We see the decay of India. Why I wanted to bring in India is that we have seen the decay of India, and we can correlate that it is not that India has improved its character and quality and still we have gone down. No. India has gone down in its conduct, in character, and in its intellect behavior. The only way, the history of India itself shows that if you want to be Raja Ashoka, who is most appreciated, let us say, then what is he appreciated is not for the wealth or for kingdomship, but for the values that he followed. The man becomes great by values, not by the wealth. I wish to bring this point today because in today's moment, everything is going under a major shift. While each of us is thinking at an individual level to bring in what the change he would like to bring, a quantitative change, a significant change, right? Here is also a moment for this country who has been suffering a great deal for centuries. Now is the time for the nation, the leaders of the nation to think. They would be in business, they would be in economy, they would be in politics, they would be in all aspects of society. Here is an opportunity to think, should we make a major shift, in a qualitative shift in our approach to the way we conduct ourselves? And what I mean is, unless we move towards clean intellect and truthfulness in all our conduct and behavior, we shall keep rolling down. So, my humble submission is that none of that we really change our track. And here is an opportunity to change the track. We are all in the interest, we are all so patriotic today. We wanted to help the country. We all have helped the country. All organizations, NGOs, people, everybody have come forward. There is a unity for the country. And with these emotions of being one as a country, being for the country, being for the people of this country, should we not extend further and strengthen our thought on this line and say, if something is good for the country and good for the people, it will be definitely good for me because I will be appreciated and then I am bound to grow. So the principle is, let me buy goodwill from all quarters, and that will make me rich. That will make me more valuable in the real world, even in the stock market. I will leave you guys, you people, with this thought. Have a great day. Yeah, there is one more thing, Srimad Bhagavad.